So today's lesson is all about celebrity. The C, one of the C's of iCanDOur, iCanDOur, the digital marketing practice. And this C is a very important C because what I'm going to teach you in this lesson today is would you like to find out in 5 simple steps, only 5 simple steps, how to become the new celebrity in your niche? Because there is a new celebrity in town, and this new celebrity is you. So let's join us for today's lesson, and without further ado, let's get started. So today's lesson is all about celebrity, and this is the short YouTube lesson. Now remember, if you would like to get hold of the fuller, more complete lesson, you can head on over using the link at the top of the comment section below. So, as I said to you a few moments ago in the intro, would you like to find out the 5 simple steps how you can become the new celebrity in your niche? You see, remember yesterday's lesson about clarity. Now, if you don't have that lesson, I'm going to pop an info card right up at the top of the screen, on the top of the right hand of the screen. So here's my message. This is the message that we arrived at yesterday. These are the type of people that I help, and this is what I can help them to do. I help ambitious or established executive business coaches. So business coaches that have been in business for at least 2 years and less than 5 years. I'm very specific about this, to find and to create their life story and their life message through my 8-step iCanDOur digital marketing practice roadmap. So ultimately, you can spread that message to, first of all, maybe 1 if you're just getting started, then to hundreds, then to thousands, and then potentially to millions of people. And you see, the objectives that this has is by reaching your ideal customers, by reaching your ideal targeted customers, your dream customers, you can truly get paid what you're worth to make a fantastic impact in the world. And this is what we're about to show you. Because you see, as I said at the beginning, there is a new celebrity in town. And this new celebrity is you. And just like all of my people, all of my clients that have been through this coaching program, the amazing people there like Greg, like Leo, like Catherine, like Jeff, like Herman, like Jane, like Leanne, like Inga, like VJ, like Terry and Tanya, and of course, Hank. And their amazing stories. You know, this is what it was all about. It was all about becoming the new celebrity in town and taking your message out there and beating your chest proudly and saying, I am the new celebrity. I have got my clarity, the clarity of my message, and I am able to go out there and to consistently and repeatedly bring in new dream customers. Now, again, I will stress this again because here's my message. Now, look what has happened to it now. I'm taking this 1 step further by saying, I help established executive business coaches to find and create your life story and your message through my 8-step iCanDOur roadmap, so that ultimately you can spread that message to 1, hundreds, thousands, and then millions of people and get paid what you're worth to truly make an impact in the world. Now note, I'm now taking this 1 step further, and I'm about to take this another step further in a second by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. And let's say this is what I do with my students. I say to them, okay, what are those words? What are those 3 important missing words there? You know, the first one is one of my favorite words, leveraging. The second one is video. I never thought in a million years that I was going to be putting out this content on a consistent way and showing up on the front page of Google in a dramatically different way. And showing up like no one else on this planet. And that's where it becomes truly powerful, consistently and constantly, every single day. And remember, all I did was I went out there and I produced, I tell my students there that they produce 7 videos to start off with, 7 2-minute videos. That's about 14 minutes of your time, and it takes about 34, 35 minutes to record about 14 minutes worth of video, because we usually have a few takes. Yeah, sometimes it might take a few minutes longer, sometimes it might take a few minutes less if the person is really good, not like me. Sometimes I take a lot longer. So let's go through these methods now in this short video. And then again, whenever we come over to the longer video, we will explain these all in much more detail. So quickly then going through these 5 methods now. Now let me ask you the question, do any of these methods resonate with you? Okay, have you heard of any of these methods, let's say? So the first one, this might be something new to some of you, but I use this in all of my landing pages and all of my clients' landing pages, the exit pop-up. So that whenever you're trying to leave the site, something pops up saying, wait, stop, before you go, do this. And it's trying to grab their attention. And at number 4, we have offer them lead magnets or free gifts. The lead magnet could simply be a PDF guide. It could be 1 or 2 of these videos, which you record for free with me to get you some results in advance. Then number 3 is the LinkedIn lead generation forms. I really believe in the platforms of LinkedIn and of Facebook and of Instagram. And of course, the main one that we're going to come to in a few moments' time. So second place, we have Facebook and we have Instagram lead ads. Facebook and Instagram lead ads are really, really important, okay? Because their Facebook accounts for something like 2.65 billion of the traffic of social media visits every single month. Every single month, 2.65 billion, not millions, but it's amazing. But the one that I believe in most of all is, of course, YouTube. And whenever I'm talking about leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way, what I'm talking about using is something there that is called TrueView in-stream ads. Bit of a mouthful, but there, this is YouTube, and this is Google. And remember, YouTube is the 2nd largest social media platform in the world. These are the results from a platform called Social Insights, socialinsights.com. Social Insights is all one word. And this is a global interview. And this, a global overview rather, not a global interview, global overview. And this was taken in January 2022. So I'm recording this video at the end of March 2022, to be exact, on the 20th of March, March the 20th, it's a Sunday. And I'm recording this video to you. Now, the things have not changed that much in 2 months. But if you look there at the first one is Facebook. The second one is YouTube. YouTube is the world's 2nd largest social media platform. And any of you there that will come on board as my clients, these two of the first questions that I will ask you. 2 of the first questions that I will ask you to see if you are serious about taking action and about leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Okay. Then we've got number 3, WhatsApp, which also belongs to Facebook. And then at number 4, we've got Instagram, also belongs to Facebook. Yes, you've guessed it. And then we've got number 5. Now, full disclosure, I do not know much about WeChat. I know it's very, very, very heavily used in Asia and especially in China because of their restriction policies. But I have not used it, so I cannot comment on it. TikTok, my employees and my children, they use it. It's not a platform that I understand, but I do understand the popularity of it. So it's getting about, 1,000 active user figures, and this is in millions. So this is 1 billion users per month. And of course, don't forget, very close behind is Facebook Messenger. And Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are something there that we cover very, very, very heavily in this course. Okay. So this is the data. This is the data that has come in from Hootsuite and from Social Media Insights. So full disclosure to them. But anyway, this has been the short version of this video. Now, as I've said before, I'll just stop sharing my screen for a moment. Stop sharing, and then I'll turn on my video. Right, so here I am again. So remember, this has been the short version of this video, So if you click on the link in the comment section below, the top link, there you will see there's a link there that will take you over to my website. And then what you can do is you can experience some of this for yourself. What happens? It's a free 60-day video marketing challenge, digital video marketing challenge. So I want you to come over if any of those platforms that we have just suggested. We've got Facebook, we've got Instagram, we've got LinkedIn, we've got something there that we call exit pop-ups, and we've got something that we call lead generations, lead magnets, free gifts if you want. And if you want to find out more information about these, please click on the link at the top of the comment section below, and we will take you over to the longer video where we will discuss these things in more detail. Okay, so if any of these resonate with you, if you do have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below, or head over to the landing page where you can get in contact with us much easier on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp. All of our details are there. We are social media friendly, and we do answer all questions. We do answer each and every single one of your questions. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you will all have a lovely, lovely, lovely Sunday, and I hope that you will all enjoy this video. Thank you. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. Bye for now. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the three types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on three things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number two, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the third thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here is the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.